Don't knock him down. Nolan. Nolan, stop! Stop, Nolan. If you do it again, you're going in timeout.
What are you doing, Super Nolan? Hey! Come here. Talk to you.
Oh no.
My belly hurt.
Your belly hurts?
Oh, feel it, Mommy.
Feel it? That's not good. Yeah, there you go. Lay down. Put your bum up in there. There you go. There you go. Oh, oh.
No, I feel no,
He doesn't feel good. Oh, he's giving you hugs. He's just giving you hugs. It's okay.
Okay.